Hi guys, this is Harshita here. Welcome back to my channel, The Fabcan. So today I'm going to do a small sweet video for you guys. It is actually my way of doing the nail art. So I'm not calling it a nail art tutorial because it is little different from what professionals do. Professionals have a lot of technique and a lot of equipments involved. This is going to be with the very basic minimal things. And yes, it's a glitter nail art. So first I'll show you what am I using and then we'll get started. So let's go. So this is the very first nail paint which you need, which is the base coat, which is a transparent nail paint, which is from Verimis. I have this one from Verimis. So you can use any brand, but a transparent nail paint is really must. So yeah, I'm using this one and the number is 39. Then the second thing is I'm using this white color. Okay, see, you can use any color which is needed, which you want the glitter to be put on. If you're going to use a dark color, choose a lighter shade of a glitter or whatever is necessary. So as of now I'm using this white color nail paint, which is like a white matte nail paint, which is again from Verimis, and I'm going to do a French manicure kind of and then put a glitter on that. So yeah, it is white pearl and the number is 7. So this is my glitter khazana box which is there. There are lots of glitter nail paints in this. So today I'm going to use this one, which is my the favorite, which is again from Verimis. It is a golden glitter and the number is 34. It's Golden Rain. The name of the nail paint is Golden Rain. As you can see, the nail paint's bottle is a little bit dirty as you compare to the other two. But you won't believe me, I got it this way only because I loved it so much and the shopkeeper did not have any other piece available that moment. So I just wanted to buy this. So yeah, this is also from Verimis and we are going to use these 3 nail paints as of now. Another thing which is necessary for this nail art is this small piece of sponge, and we are going to use this to pat out the glitter on the base nail paint which is there. Again, if you want to do it in a neat and a clean manner, you can use these sellotapes which I have. This is a normal sellotape which is there. If you want, you can just use this and just place it over your nail. Whichever part you don't want the nail paint to stick on, you can put it and protect it with the sellotape. Or if you have this one available, which is specially meant for nail arts, to sort of create a pattern, and then you can use this also. It is available in any nail paint store or any beauty store. So I have this one, but I'm not going to use these two because I like it keeping a little messier. That's my way. So yeah, let's get started with the nail art.
When you think that it will never get you, it comes and throws a lightning bolt right at you. Before you know it, now you're.
So now that it has dried up, I'll actually go to my next color, which is this white one. And yes, I'm going to do a French manicure as I said earlier. Yeah, for more perfection you can use this sellotape and you can apply it over here on this part so that your shape, this line will come really perfect. But I'm not doing it, I don't like that way. Yeah.
When you think that it will never get you, it comes and throws a lightning bolt right at you. Before you know it, now your pulse starts racing, and now your blood is running hot like crazy. Give it everything.
So now we are done with the step 2 and we are going to go on the last and the third step. Actually, it's not the last one, it's the second last step. So we are going to go on the glitter. So we are going to use this one and I'm going to use this sponge. I've cut it to a much more smaller piece than what I showed you in the beginning because only this much was needed. So you can, according to your size of the nail and whatever your requirement is, you can just take that much small sponge and then we are going to do this. Slowly place it like this, like a layer of nail paint over the sponge piece. Like place it twice, thrice, so that it comes out to be a really good one. Yeah, see. So yeah, once this is done, you just have to pat this over this part, okay? You don't want to hide this completely because that is going to be your base thing. If you're done the entire nail with the same color, one color which you chose, then you can just do it on any part, like you can start it from bottom and going up, or going the other way around from top to down. So I have done only like till here, so I'm not going to hide this white part completely, but I'm going to hide a little bit from here. I'm going to start it from here. I'm going to start patting. And yes, see, as you can see, I'm doing it a little like a messy thing. Like it's not very neat and professionally done. I've not put on a sellotape over here so that I can block it from spreading here and there, because I like it this way. I like it coming down like a waterfall thing. So yeah, just a moment. And then if it's not sufficient, you can take a little bit more. Yeah, like this much is what I need as of now, and just place it on the parts which you missed. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so, and this is what we continue on all other nails.
When you think that it will never get you, it comes and throws a lightning bolt right at you. Before you know it, now your pulse starts racing, and now your blood is running hot like crazy. Give it everything, everything that you got. Give it everything, everything that you've got. No, never knew that I could feel this way. No, never had it running through my veins.
So that it has also dried up, the last step is to apply this base coat again over it. And this is like necessary because this will protect the glitter not to come out. Like it will come out very soon if you don't apply this. So we'll just apply it quickly.
When you think that it will never get you, it comes and throws a lightning bolt right at you.
Yep. So we are done. For my this nail art, I hope you liked it. And before signing off, I want you all to see some of my nail arts which I've done with a similar technique.
When you think that it will never get you, it comes and throws a lightning bolt right at you.
I hope you liked all of them and you can try it at your home. If you have anything, any doubt and you want to ask me, please do comment below. I'll get back to you soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, if you want me to describe something in personal, or you want to know something about my nail paints, where I got them from, or any other details, you can comment below. Okay, till then, bye bye.